buy specially marked packs, and Duracell will make a battery donation to local volunteers. These days, don't we all need someone to trust? Duracell, trusted everywhere.
Icebreakers Frost. A great tasting mid-core, frosted and powerful cooling.
Kaylin. Hey, sweetie. Hey, sweetie.
GD 64 and your 64-calorie martini.
Wow, that sure comes in a tiny glass.
I don't know, I have giant hands. I'm very manly in the hand area.
You know, MGD 64 only has 64 calories.
Whoa, that feels better.
Yeah.
Hey, that's the last present. Oh, do you want it? Yeah. Okay, we'll split it.
Made fresh, so light, buttery, and flaky.
This is half. That's not half.
Guys, I have more.
Do you have enough crescents?
Love the feel and fragrances of products from body and bath shops. With Olay, get what you love at half the price with new Olay body collections. Tantalizing fragrances and Olay moisturizing ingredients that transform lather into lavishing. Olay body collections.
What is that?
Your fish should never be a mystery. At Wendy's, we only use 100% North Pacific cod in our premium fish fillet. Taste the difference real makes.
Seems the movie critics are calling a knockdown.
Kaylin.
Is a riot.
I just love him.
Arthur is hilarious.
Thank you.
Hello. Not a good example of me using a phone. Arthur, rated PG-13.
Wednesday. She can have a word. You pick the devil you run with.
Raymond, please help me.
Let your hair down, it's a party.
Think about what Mom's gonna do.
I'm gonna take care of this now.
Justified all week Wednesday at 10, only on FX.
Osborne Cox.
The World Podcast premiere.
You have no idea what they're doing.
Let me tell you something so intelligent.
Give me the secret of the money type.
Watch Burn After Reading. Friday at 8, only on FX.
Trying to get another one, but it won't.
Yeah, she at least got one out.
You guys get used to this or what?
Oh, so horrible.
I was married once before. First wife. She died giving birth to Aaron. Another dinner. So there I am. I'm with this beautiful little baby. I don't know what the hell to do. And I was in the supermarket, and I'm in the baby aisle, and I've got a brand of diapers in each hand. I'm staring at them, and I'm trying to get through the day. And Angel sees me. She gave me this look. And even in the trance I was in, I knew that somebody somewhere was throwing me a little rope. Starting that day, she put my life back together. Right?
You're a draw.
What about you, buddy? You're from another planet, aren't you? No, I'm not from Miami. You didn't come in on like a meteor? Nope. Woke up in a hospital. First thing I remember. Government hospital. Yes. Experimenting on you and...
Regular old